how to pay credit card bill in Simplii Financial. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay your credit card bill in Simplii Financial. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to pay your credit card bill in Simplii Financial, you have to follow these steps. Mobile steps. Step 1. Sign on to the Simplii Financial app. Step 2. Select bill payments from the top mobile carousel or the menu located on the left. Step 3. Select Manage Billing Companies. Step 4. Select Add Billing Company. Step 5. Enter Simplii as your billing company and select Search. Step 6. Select the Simplii Visa asterisk from the search results. Step 7. Enter your credit card number in the account number field and select Next. Step 8. Make sure the payee information is correct, then select Yes. Online steps. Step 1. Sign on to your account through Simplii Financial online banking. Step 2. Select Pay Bills. Step 3. Select Edit Bill. Step 4. Enter Simplii as your billing company and select Search. Step 5. Select the Simplii Visa asterisk from the search results. Step 6. Enter your credit card number in the account number field and select Next. Step 7. Make sure the payee information is correct, then select Confirm. So that's how you can pay your credit card bill in Simplii Financial. That's all for this video.